Example 1, mechanism for complex reactions. The complex reaction, they have given CO plus Cl2 gives COCl2 is the overall reaction. We have to write theoretical rate law for this equation. Derive the rate law theoretically and give the order of the reaction with the equations available. So what are the steps we are going to follow in this particular one? To do this, first step, take the slowest step. This is the first step we are going to follow. Slowest step, which is taken as rate determining step. Select the slowest step. Apply law of mass action. Apply law of mass action. Law of mass action to the slowest step. Third one, no intermediate. Third step, no intermediate should be a part of rate law. Should be a part of rate law. Fourth step, in such case, apply equilibrium concept from above equation. From above equation. So we are going to follow 4 steps. Any step, if you are stuck with an intermediate, then move to the previous step, take an equilibrium concept there and approach in this way. This is going to be your 4-step mechanism. So slow step, first start with the slowest step. So you can see this is the fast step, this is the fast step, and this is going to be the slowest step. So my first approach will be starting from here. So if I am taking this particular equation, from the above equations we know this is going to be your slowest step. We are going to approach with law of mass action. What is law of mass action says? Rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactants. Who is my reactant here? COCl. Raise it to the power of its own stoichiometric coefficient into another reactant Cl2, raise it to the power of its own stoichiometric coefficient 1 and 1. Now from this, if you observe the overall reaction, from the overall reaction, which is your overall reaction? CO plus Cl2 gives rise to COCl2. This is your overall reaction. Your CO is the regular term, Cl2 is the main term, COCl2 is the main term. Cl2 is a part of your overall reaction. See this particular one. But is COCl a part of the overall reaction? No. So that means this becomes an intermediate. So the minute you see the overall reaction, compare the terms with overall reaction, which is missing in the overall reaction, that will be intermediate. So now this intermediate should not be a part of your overall rate law. So to remove this, we need to proceed with the previous step. What is your previous step? Cl plus CO gives COCl. From this, if you approach equilibrium concept, K2 is equals to, from this equation, K2 is equals to concentration of products COCl by concentration of reactants CO into Cl. So from this we can write concentration of COCl is equals to K2 into concentration of CO into Cl. So now when you take this, substitute this Cl in the above equation. So this one you are going to substitute here. What will get the new equation now? Rate is equals to, this will be K dash into K2 into CO into Cl into Cl2. Again compare the terms. Cl2 is the term of major one, CO is the term of the major overall reaction, but again Cl is not a part of overall reaction, so this becomes your intermediate. So to avoid this intermediate, again we need to go for the previous step of that particular one. So the previous step of this particular reaction is going to be this reaction, from which we can write K1 is equals to concentration of Cl whole square by Cl2. So from which we can write Cl concentration is equals to root over K1 into concentration of Cl2 whole power 1 by 2. Again substitute this in the previous equation. we get rate is equals to, we already have K dash into K2 now into root K1 into CO. In place of Cl comes Cl2 whole power 1 by 2 into Cl2. So now this total becomes, let us replace these all with some K into CO. So the rate can be written as K, some constant K into CO into Cl2 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So I can write 3 by 2 or not? Yes. So if I am writing 3 by 2 over here, now what is the overall order? Overall order of the reaction will become 1 plus 3 by 2, which is equals to 5 by 2. So the answer is 5 by 2. Overall order will be 5 by 2. And this is your rate law. So the rate law and overall order.